Chi Minh City in the morning, 6:30. Lots of people exercising over there in the park. And scooters everywhere. I don't think they ever stop. They just go around in circles, I think. But there you go, a poster. A lot of them on the power poles around here, celebrating something. I'll do a translate and let you know in the video. There's a fairly laissez-faire approach to which side of the road you drive on. It's supposed to be the right-hand side, but you know, people work it out. That would do my head in. It does, and I'm not even right. Just set up in a stationary spot here. Gives you more of an idea of the constant flow. Very rarely do you see people in uniform. That's about the third one I've seen in 3 days. It is appear to be a city that never stops. I'm not even sure where people are going or what they're doing, but then you get moments of calm. Lots of delivery drivers, lots of sort of cabs, I guess. There's another cab turning up there. Vinnerson. Go, I think's another one, or Dash. We're being chauffeur driven at the moment, but there's all varieties of scooters. Even the old Honda 100 postie bikes, I've seen a couple of them. There's not a lot of large machines, must be a taxation thing. And really, what would you do with a 1000 cc's around here? You wouldn't fit through the traffic. So it's at 9:20, 28 degrees already, feels like 32. Almost appear to be acclimatising to it. Given that when I looked it was 12 degrees at home and felt like 9. So the body adjusts relatively quickly to most things. Been to the pharmacy to get some spray on deodorant and some lip balm. 24-hour pharmacy. Antibiotics without prescription. No dramas. It's a strange system, but it seems to work. Internal atrium, I guess you'd call it, for the hotel. We've got an outside room, so we get to see the street. But just in case you didn't know where you were, it says so down there on the carpet. Or AstroTurf, I guess. Truly effective, I would imagine. If you could open the roof, you'd be a lot cooler. But not here. Being wildly culturally extensive, we've decided to go to Macca's, just to give it a whirl. And wine cappuccino. It's actually very good, and given the work that's been happening, coldness in my mouth is really, really good. Can highly recommend. Here we are, a couple of hours later, 12:30, and if anything, there's more cars than there are bikes now, which is not something I thought I'd ever see. It's just truly bizarre. They're very loud. 32 feels like 36. When they said tropical rain, they meant it. If you've ever seen the odd angry shot, you'll know you can set your watch by this in rain. I haven't seen rain like this in years, and it is strangely comforting. And you can see it's pooling a little bit on the roadway, but basically it's under control. And there's my noggin for sense of scale. You can see the new choppers there maybe, if you look closely. We may be overdoing it, but it is really impressive. Supposed to be some lightning weather. I heard thunder before, but I haven't seen any lightning, so it must be a fair way off. That old angel song, After the Rain, is certainly cleared up. Still a bit of cloud cover, but it looks pretty much, you can see the sunlight over there through the gap in the buildings. I don't think we're going to get much more rain tonight. The traffic is relentless. I've heard it in the middle of the night. Those little beeps are more like echolocation for other drivers. No one sits on their horn and just blasts. It's like watching a fractal at work in real time. It's truly magnificent. So this is Saturday night in Ho Chi Minh City, near the walking street, which says everything you need to know for streetwalkers. Lots of light, lots of excitement, but I'm going up to bed soon to get a good night. In Walking Street. Walking obviously involves motor scootering as well. But, it's warm. It's the feel of old Saigon from what I've seen in the films. It's definitely Ho Chi Minh City. It just goes on and on. Clearly walking is for motor scooters and people. Haven't seen any cars apart from that police car at the other end. Oh, there's one. But mostly they avoid it. My life in reverse. Gone from beer to coffee. And I think that's a primary school. But don't quote me. I've just come up off the walking street and couples massage. We'll give that a miss. Couples. I'm heading back towards where we're staying. We've got a second-hand thrift and vintage shop up here. We're back on our street. And, funnily enough, the temperature only seems to be going in one direction, and that's up. It's the lack of cloud cover that really brings the heat. Macca's seems to be the place where you park your motor scooter. Mind you, so does everywhere else. They must be going to be transported, I guess. Almost back to the hotel.